Hello everyone, this is Saki. Today we will be doing the final practice for the JLPT N5 grammar test together. In this video, we will cover the grammar part of the JLPT N5 to help you with your final review for the exam. Please watch until the end and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Without any further ado, let's get started. The answer is number 2. 学校にカバンや教科書を持っていきます。I will bring the bag and the textbook, etc. to the school. If you look at before and after the blank, there are カバン, bag, and 教科書, textbook. And both of them are nouns. Therefore, you need to find a particle which can connect the nouns. And only number 2, yeah, can do it. The grammar point A や B means A and B, for example, or A and B, etc. Therefore, again, the answer is number 2. 学校にカバンや教科書を持っていきます。I will bring the bag and the textbook, etc. to the school. The answer is number 4. が、今日の昼ご飯は妹が作りました。As for today's lunch, my sister cooked it. 妹 means younger sister, and 作りました means cooked. 作りました is the verb, and we need to find the subject for that. In other words, we need to find the person who did the action. There is 妹 before that, can be the subject for the verb 作りました。Therefore, the particle which can come after the subject is number 4 が。今日の昼ご飯は妹が作りました。As for today's lunch, my sister cooked it. The answer is number 1. は、日本に行きました。新幹線は高かったですが、食べ物は安かったです。I went to Japan. The 新幹線 was expensive, but the food was cheap. 新幹線、ブラブラブラ、高かったです。高かったです means was expensive. So we need a subject for that, and 新幹線 should be it.Therefore, number 1 は or number 4 も can come after the subject. However, 高かったですが が means but. Therefore, the sentence before が and after that have to be two contrasting sentences. If you put も it will be 新幹線も高かったですが食べ物も安かったです。Which means the 新幹線 was expensive but the food was also cheap. and it doesn't make sense. So what is the correct one? One of the usage of the particle wa is comparison. Wa in this question it is used in this way. 新幹線は高かったですが、食べ物は安かったです。The 新幹線 was expensive, but food was cheap. 日本に行きました。新幹線は高かったですが、食べ物は安かったです。I went to Japan. The 新幹線 was expensive, but the food was cheap. The answer is number 2. ください。いらっしゃいませ。Welcome to our store. すみません。コーヒーを3つください。Excuse me. Please give me 3 coffees. はい。ありがとうございます。1200円です。Sure. Thank you. It's 1200 yen. If you know the grammar point, 何々をください。Please give me blah blah blah. You can choose the answer right away. Number 1, どうぞ and number 4, いかがですか cannot be the answer because those are the phrases that the shop attendant would say. Number 1, どうぞ means here it is or please. And number 4, いかがですか means would you like blah blah blah. Next, number 3, ありますか If we put this in the blank, the sentence will become コーヒーを3つありますか If we use ありますかコーヒー can't be followed by the particle. It should be コーヒー3つありますか or コーヒーは3つありますか or コーヒーが3つありますか depending on the context. Therefore, again, the answer is number 2. いらっしゃいませ。Welcome to our store. すみません、コーヒーを3つください。Excuse me, please give me 3 coffees. はい、ありがとうございます。1200円です。Sure, thank you. It's 1200 yen. The answer is number 4. しています。今、何をしていますか ?What are you doing now? スーパーで買い物をしています。I'm shopping at the supermarket. This is a bonus question. You must be able to answer this question right away. Since the person A said, 今何をしていますか What are you doing now? The answer also should be in the present continuous form as well.Therefore, the answer is しています。スーパーで買い物をしています。I'm shopping now. 今何をしていますか What are you doing now? スーパーで買い物をしています。I'm shopping at the supermarket. The answer is number 1. お、昨日犬と一緒に公園を歩きました。I walked in the park with my dog yesterday. 歩きました The dictionary form is 歩く which means to walk. and when a particle comes before 歩く, it's used of the form of place or 歩く to walk in a place. Therefore, number 1 is the answer. 昨日、犬と一緒に公園を歩きました。I walked in the park with my dog yesterday. The answer is number 3. 2. 私の学校に日本人が2人います。There are two Japanese people in my school. The dictionary form of います is いる。When the verb is いる, it's used in the form of place に person がいる which means a person is in a place. Therefore, after 私の学校 my school, number 3, the particle に should come. 私の学校に日本人が2人います。There are two Japanese people in my school. The answer is number 3. わからない。日本語がわからないときは、私に聞いてくださいね。When you don't understand Japanese, please ask me. はい、ありがとうございます。Yes, thank you. If you see the options, all of them are conjugated form of わかる, understand. When toki, which means when, comes after a verb, the verb always has to be a short form. In the options, only number 3, わからない is in the short form. So, this is the answer. 日本語がわからないときは、私に聞いてくださいね。When you don't understand Japanese, please ask me. はい、ありがとうございます。Yes, thank you. The answer is number 1. まで。ヤンさんの家から学校まで電車で何時間かかりますか？ How long does it take from your house to the school by train? 1時間ぐらいかかります。It takes about 1 hour. If you look at the options, there are まで and から。So, you need to be able to recall the grammar point A から B まで from A to B. Therefore, since there is 家 in the position of A, a place also should come in B. So, 家から学校まで。And you can put 電車 before で。電車で means by train. ヤンさんの家から学校まで電車で何時間かかりますか？ How long does it take from your house to the school by train? 1時間ぐらいかかります。It takes about 1 hour. The answer is number 2. すみません、スーパーはどこにありますか？ Excuse me, where is the supermarket? 図書館の後ろにありますよ。It's behind the library. First of all, since this is a question sentence and there is か already, you can put a verb あります before that. When ありますか and どこ where are used together, they are used in the form of thing はどこにありますか It means where is a thing. Therefore, the sentence will be スーパーはどこにありますか Where is the supermarket? すみません、スーパーはどこにありますか Excuse me, where is the supermarket? 図書館の後ろにありますよ。It's behind the library. That's it for our final practice of the JLPT N5 Grammar test. I hope you found this review helpful and feel more confident about the exam. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more JLPT study tips and practice sessions. Good luck with your exam and see you in the next video. またね。バイバイ。